Right, so let's move forward now. So I will configure this is 1/1 and I will configure that as a layer 3. So let's go back to the Palo Alto 1/1. I will configure this as a layer 3 and the default route would be default, zone will be inside. Select OK. Next go to the IPv4, select 172.168.1.254/24 and in the advanced I will allow the management ping, click on OK. And similarly in the 1/3 we do have a two sub interfaces. So one will be for VLAN number 10, another one will be for VLAN number 20. So let's configure that one too also. So we'll go to interface 1/3 and I will just make this one as a layer 3. Nothing selected on virtual router, nothing on the security zone. Select layer 3, interface 1/3, select sub interface number 10. Number 10, virtual router will be default. Security zone will be a new zone that should be DMZ1 and DMZ2 respectively. So I will say DMZ1. IPv4 that should be 10.1.1.254/24 and the management ping should be allowed. Okay. I have to create one more in sub interface that should be sub interface 20. Tagging will be number 20. Virtual router will be default and the zone will be DMZ2 and IPv4 will be 20.1.1.254/24 and in advance I will allow the ping as a management profile. Alright, so at this point all the things should be all good. So let's go ahead and commit. So after commit, what I am expecting is that R1 should be able to ping to the Palo Alto. Similarly, R2 and R3 should be able to ping to the Palo Alto. Okay, so let the commit finish. Almost there. Alright, so configuration committed successfully. Let's go to the R1 and if I say that to ping 172.168.1.1, I am able to ping. So if I go to the R2, if I say do ping 10.1.1.254, I'm able to ping. And if I go to do ping 10.1.1. Sorry, 20.1.1.254, I'm able to ping. All right, so at this moment, my configuration is ready. So now let's discuss about the zones now. Okay, so I will come back to the loopback later on. Let's discuss about the zones, or otherwise we will start creating the loopback now, loopback interface.